Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to earn money from online, just doing simple tasks without investing any money. Okay, before that, if you are new here and if you did not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and press the bell icon. Then we will move forward. Okay, before starting this video, let's intro. Okay guys, now you have to open Chrome browser and search there yandextoloka.com, and I will show you differently how to earn money from this website. Okay, before joining this website, I will show you some reviews from here. Toloka, earn money online, register with a friend's invitation. Okay, if you join through your friend's invitation link, and then you will also earn 20% referral bonus. Earn money by completing simple tasks online. What kind of tasks are available? Here you can see the various types of tasks. Just you need to complete these tasks to earn money. Quick starts. Okay, take 5 minutes to sign up for Toloka. It's free. You can create account for free. And how can I withdraw money? You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, Skrill Money, Parara, and Pioneer account. Just join to create account. Okay, I have already an account, so I will directly log in with this account. And if you want to know how to earn, how to create account, then I have already made a video. Then you can check in my YouTube channel, and there we have reached the interface of this website, and you can see the tax from here. Okay, moderator post 0.01 per tax and training. Before you will be paid, you need to pass the training with a score of 80%, and then you will be access to the tax for paid tax. Here I will show you guys my some activities, and here I just earn from this website my money tab. I have currently $0.97, and I will show you my history for the payout. Okay, here is my complete details and history of these websites. I have just completed 474 tasks, and I was rejected for 5 tasks, and 1 task is under review. Then just I have earned $4.63, which is I have already paid out through Skrill. Okay, here is my tax details and referral program. Here is one referral program. If you refer your friends and then your friends join from your referral link, you will get 20% lifetime earning from their earning. Okay guys, today the videos of this. Okay, one more thing, you can work from the mobile application. Link is provided in the description box, and you can directly download from there. Here is available task to complete it. Okay guys, see you in the next video.